Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2020 model Volkswagen Touareg R-Line 4MOTION, complete in the desired pure white paintwork. It does house your powerful 3-litre TDI engine, efficient auto transmission and an impressive 286 PS, reaching 0 to 62 in just 6.3 seconds. Top features do include enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, stylish 20-inch Braga diamond turned alloys, and for added protection, power folding wing mirrors and the convenience of a power operated tailgate, revealing a spacious boot area for your travel essentials, with the option for your power folding tow bar just to your right hand side, followed by a luxurious Vienna leather trim with access to a pull down armrest and central climate controls. The front does house your memory package with your 14-way powered seats, followed by your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further style and convenience. You do also have access to your central touch display and the modernised edge of your R-front leather seats. And for the summer months, you do even have a full glass sunroof to really open up the vehicle, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data and its status, alongside your navigation, various audio, and further safety features with your lane assist, adaptive cruise and limiter, reducing the chance of any collisions and keeping you at a safe distance. Moving across, you do have similar access to your built-in navigation system, ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas. Of course, you do have access to your variation radio stations and app connects that does come compatible with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Of course, you do have your on-screen driving data and vehicle status, alongside the activation of your Park Pilot with your sensors and reversing camera, alongside your trailer assist for those adventure seekers. Of course, you do have your on-screen climate control with the option to set the rear temperature and 2 front heated seats to keep you toasty warm in those colder winter months. And for an enhanced driving experience, you do also have your different drive mode selection, including your Eco, Sport and even Off-Road and Snow, followed just below by your handy and hidden wireless charging pad, drive mode selection, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.